Everyone, and does not matter who you are, you must be losing money at this point, where the market is. This is our portfolio that used to be close to $6,000, and now we are barely at 5,000. So let's see what's been going on. Hello, welcome to Finance 101. On today's episode, I'm going to give an update on how the portfolio is doing. It's been a while since we did any video, but because if we're going to talk about wins, we also talk about what we are losing on, and everyone is losing on something these days. It's just the way the market is. There's nothing we can do about it. If anything, we should be buying and not be scared to be buying, because everything on the stock market must be on sale right now, except for a couple stocks, one or two, that are doing really good right now. If you look at the oil sector, they're doing really good. I think uranium is up too. But other than that, even the high tech stocks are down. Like Apple right there is down. Amazon down. Anything you can think about right now, it's on sale. If you are not scared, it's the time to be buying. But people choose to buy when it hit mainstream and the talking heads are talking about it. That's what they all want to get in. But this is the time to be buying. So as you can see, everything I own right now, I'm probably down. Well, I think I'm up on Apple. I'm up on Ford. And what else am I up on? For sure, Apple and Ford. And I keep preaching about DIV. This stock's just like paying dividend each and every month. If you don't own any of this stock, please get in, because all the stocks do is go up. Doesn't even matter what is going on right now. It's still been going up. Let's see what is happening with DV right now. DIV, sorry. So I think I got this stock around 2 something, and it's always paying me dividend every month, and so far we're up 11%, even in a time like this when everything is down. That's how much we are up on that right now. So this is a Canadian stock, and it's not a big stock or anything, but at least when things are going down, it holds its ground and it barely goes down. Most of the time it goes up. It takes a while to go up, but since I'm getting paid a dividend, it's not so bad. So this right here, I have about, I think 150 shares, but every month I'm getting around, I think $2 for it, $2 something. What I do with that money, just buy at least one or two share with it every time, and I keep building up on that one. And Nvidia, I might be up on Nvidia too. Shopify, I know I'm down Shopify. I'm down a lot of stuff. That's why when everything was great, I was almost $6,000. That's why I'm 4,700 now. But hey, that's how the market works, and it's the best time to buy now. I say if you have some money, you want to get something, this is the best time to buy. If you have something on your wish list, and it's time to pull the trigger right now, because I don't know when it's going to go back up, but nobody know what the bottom is too. So it's still a little bit risky, but at the same time, it could be the bottom now. Who knows? Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. It's just a quick update on how the portfolio is doing. It's not doing so well, but we're not worried about that because we invest for the long term. Bye for now.